Hey everybody! I'm here today to talk to you about a luggage handle that is stuck up or down. I'll specifically be going over some easy fixes in a very simplistic instructional tutorial. Let's get right into this instructional video. I'll be going over 4 easy fixes to hopefully help you fix your luggage handle if it's stuck in the upward position or the downward position. Let's get into this. And just for full disclosure, this luggage handle works perfectly fine. I'm just using this for the purposes of this video, just so you know. Okay, number 1, the first easy fix is to wiggle it a little bit. So you want to wiggle the handle a little bit. If you're having trouble with it, you want to essentially just give it a little bit of a wiggle. Maybe there's something caught in there. Maybe there's some dirt or debris, and wiggling it will hopefully solve the problem. So give it a little bit of a wiggle. Don't go crazy with it, because then you might break it or bend it. But just give it a little bit of a wiggle back and forth, and then try and use it again, okay? Number 1 is wiggle it a little bit and then try again. Number 2 is, are you pushing the button? Ask yourself, are you actually pushing the button? Now, with regards to luggage handles, most of them require you to push a button in order to move it. If you're trying to bring it down and it's not working and you're not pushing the button, that's where your problem is. Push the button and bring it down. Okay, once again, push the button and bring it down. Same thing, when you're not pushing the button, it is locked, okay? By pushing the button, you unlock it, and then you can extend it or retract it like that. So that's number 2. Number 3 is to ask yourself, does the button go in properly? So once again, number 3 is to ask yourself for number 3, does the button go in properly? So you got to look at, does it feel tactile, right? If you're pushing the button and it's not really pushing, you know, it's not going to be working. I'll tell you why. The button is connected to these like little pins inside, which I'll go over in a moment, okay? And essentially, if you're pressing the button and it's barely being pressed at all, then that's going to be part of your problem. When you push the button, you should be able to push it all the way in. It should feel tactile, it should be able to be pressed and move quite a bit, and then you should be able to extend or retract the luggage handle. So ask yourself, does this button feel like I'm actually pushing something in? And then you can take it from there. And if that doesn't help you out, number 4 is to open the interior of the suitcase and actually unzip the back portion, and then you're going to manually try and disengage or engage those pins to move the handle up or down, the stuck luggage handle up or down. So essentially number 4 is you're going to unzip the luggage, okay? So you're going to go and you're going to unzip the luggage over here. Let me just bring this a little bit further into the camera frame. You're going to unzip the luggage, you're going to go into the interior of the luggage, which I'm not going to do now because I don't know what's in here. I think it's just another, there's something in here. I think it's just another luggage briefcase, like a smaller one that we put in there. But I haven't opened this in a while, so I'm just going to leave it because I don't want to open it up and see like, oh my gosh, I forgot there's like, I don't know, some underwear in there or something from my wife. So that's why I'm not, this is her luggage. I'm not going to open it. I don't want to have to redo this video. So unzip the luggage. I'm like, obviously I'm joking. Her underwear, my wife's underwear wouldn't be in here, but you never know. Maybe there's one little undergarment that she left in here from her last trip. So I'm just not going to open it. All right, because you know she put this away, she used it, she put it away. So I have no clue what could be in here. But I do believe it's just another luggage. Anyways, I'm going to take a peek. I'm curious now. I'm just going to take a look. Let's see what we got here. Let's just see. Let's take a look. Yeah, it's just a smaller version of this luggage. Still not going to open it, but it's just a smaller version of this luggage. That's all. Not a big deal. Just a smaller version of the same color and the same style luggage. So anyways, you're going to unzip the luggage. Inside of the luggage, towards the back portion, where the handle is, there's going to be another zipper. Okay, it's just a zipper for the liner of the luggage. You're going to unzip that internal zipper. When you unzip that internal zipper, you're going to see the mechanics of this handle. And essentially, what you want to do is you want to manually do what this button is doing. So this button is essentially pushing these pins in, or these levers in place. And essentially, you want to manually push those pins and levers so that you can retract or extend the handle. That might not fix the problem, but at least, let's say your handle's like this and you need to retract it, at least you can retract it down. Or let's say your handle's like that and you need to extend it, at least you can extend it. But you might have to go and do that every single time you want to move the handle until you fix the problem more permanently. But at least it gives you a temporary solution. And that is essentially it. If your luggage handle is stuck up or down, those are some easy fixes. Once again, if your luggage handle is stuck in the upward position or downward position, those are easy fixes in a simplistic tutorial showing you how to fix it with a couple, four to be specific, 4 simple solutions. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Whoa, I'm out of breath. I've talked way too fast. I'm going to slow it down. We're going to slow it down for the end. Okay, we're just going to relax here. If you like this video instructional tutorial, please be sure to give it a nice big thumbs up, or double thumbs up like that. You know what? I'm going to slow it down even more. I'm This is this is the 23rd video I filmed today. I got one more to do, 24 to hit my goal for the day. So I'm just losing it a bit. I'm dehydrated, I'm hungry. So I'm gonna slow it down. We don't need to rush this out. We're gonna slow it down. I'm gonna get on the camera frame a little bit over here to just roll you out, okay? Just to give you a little bit more personality, okay? We'll calm down. If you like this video instructional tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.